Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ito ulit, balik-aral ulit tayo. Maski hindi maganda yung ating pakiramdam, pero fine. So, balik-aral ulit tayo kasi matagal ko na rin hindi ako nakapag-share. Ang ipapakita ko pong aking ma-show na kung ano ang tawag. Ito siya. Ito is dahon ng kamote. Ang tawag nito is pansiyip. Pansiyip means kamote, pansi. Halos magkatugma yung pronunciation niya sa pansi. Pansi means isang words din na vermicelli, pansi. And this is pansi. Pansi, potato, sweet potato, dahon. Yip means dahon. Pansi yip. So, ito yung una is pansi yip. Ito namang orange, they call this chang, sikchang. And ito namang pear is sutlay, sikchang. And ito then is bread. This is bread. This is they call mimpao. Sik mimpao lah, like that. Sik mimpao. And this is celery. Ang tawag nito sa kanila, ito, celery. Ang tawag nito sa kanila is saikan, celery. And this is fishball, yupin. This is yupin. This is like a fish block, like yung luto na siya na fish na may lasa na siya. So, ang tawag nito sa kanila is yupin. Okay. So, una, pansiyip, chang, sutlay, mimpao, saikan. This is yu. Yu means fish. Pin means slice. Yu pin. Okay. So, ito naman is baso, may tubig. So, ang tawag nito is poi. Ang tubig is, of course, water, di ba? Tubig is soy. Yam poi soy means inom ka ng isang basong tubig. Yam poi soy. Okay? Yam poi soy. Tubig, baso, inom, yam poi soy. Yam poi soy. Okay, and ito naman ipapakita ko yung sabaw ko. Ito is winter melon. Ang tawag naman ito sa kanila is tongkwa. Kwa. This is kwa. Winter melon. Tong means cold. Kwa. Kasi winter Winter melon. Tongkwa. So, ang tawag naman ng sabaw is tong. So, kung i-combine mo yung dalang words, yam tong, mia tong, tongkwa, yam tong. Kadalasan nila nagtatanong, lalo na may mga lola, may mga bata, lagi nilang sinasabi, paiti yam tong la, like yam tong means drink soup. Okay, drink soup, yam tong. Okay. Sana po ay meron kayong natutunan maski kaunti. At dahil hindi na po ako nakapag-video nung mga nakaraan. So, I hope na nakatulong kahit konti at lalo na sa ating mga kababayan na paparating. And I promise na magpapatuloy ako sa pag-video ng kung ano ang meron akong bago. So, yun yung i-upload ko. I hope that you enjoy and I hope you learn even just little words. And maybe next time I will also teach the numbers because that is the basic number and that is very easy to learn. That's why please stay. I hope that you also support me in this video and love you all. Thank you. See you next vlog. Thank you so much. Sana natuto kayong konti. Maski konti, at least meron akong naiambag today. And thank you for supporting me. Even sometimes only I can make this video, but I promise you to make it maybe every time that I have time. So I hope you enjoy it and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Thank you so much.